Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Lexus RX 350. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a beige and brown interior. Leather throughout the vehicle, some really nice accent stitching, sunroof, wood grain trim, blind spot assist, and we'll come around to the back of the vehicle here. And we have our Lexus and RX 350 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Some new all-weather mats ready for you here, and plenty of storage space. Push button to close. And let's take a look at the rear seats. Again, a really nice two-tone finish here with the beige and the darker brown. Really nice. Rear seats here, and a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we do have memory seats on the driver's side here. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 60,060. And we do have a push button ignition. Lexus display here. Below that we've got our climate control, shifter, command module here. You can adjust your different sport modes, eco or normal, as well as control the display. Let's see with this command module here. So you can see our navigation, backup camera, and as well as any radio functions here. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this Lexus RX 350 or any of our other vehicles, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.